Are you looking for a profitable business you can start from home in Nigeria with little capital? Do you have a creative side hustle and want to make money from it? Well, you are in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing highly lucrative handmade product ideas that sell like crazy in Nigeria. And the best part, you can start with what you have. So stick around till the end because I'll also share tips on how to market those products for maximum profits. Fashion and accessories. Nigerians love fashion and the demand for unique locally made fashion accessories is growing. Let's look at some handmade products you can start making today. 1. Bead jewelry making. Beaded jewelry is a huge market. Nigerians wear them to weddings, birthdays, and even everyday outfits. With a few tools like pliers, strings, and beads, you can start creating custom pieces and sell them online or at local markets. 2. Handmade leather bags and shoes. Locally made leather bags are highly valued. If you can learn the craft or partner with an experienced shoemaker, you can create stunning leather bags, wallets, and sandals for both men and women. 3. African print accessories. Ankara accessories are always in demand. You can make Ankara covered shoes, earrings, crunchies, and bags. The best part, you can start small and scale up as orders come in. 4. Crochet and knitted items. Crocheting is trending. Handmade crochet tops, hats, and bags are in high demand, especially among fashion lovers and new moms. If you have this skill, it can become a steady source of income. Number 5. Handmade wigs and hair accessories. Every Nigerian woman loves a good wig. Handmade braided wigs and bonnets are hot selling items. You can learn to make them and sell directly on Instagram or WhatsApp. Beauty and skincare. If you love beauty and skincare, why not turn your passion into profit? Here are some handmade beauty products you can start selling. 6. Organic skincare products. More people are switching to a natural skincare. You can make organic soaps, body scrubs, and essential oils from ingredients like turmeric, honey, and aloe vera. 7. Shea butter and black soap production. This business never goes out of style. Shea butter and black soap are popular in skincare and hair care. Package them nicely and you have a winning product. 8. Perfume and scented candles. Nigerians love smelling good. Handmade perfumes and scented candles make a great gifts and home essentials. With good branding, you can attract premium buyers. Home and decor. Now let's talk about home decor. People love unique homemade items that add beauty to their space. 9. Handwoven baskets and mats. Handwoven baskets are popular in Nigeria. You can make and sell them as laundry baskets, fruit baskets, or home decor pieces. 10. Customized throw pillows and bedsheets. People love personalized throw pillows and bedsheets. You can offer customized prints, names, or pictures to attract more buyers. 11. Macrame wall art and plant hangers. Macrame designs are trending in modern home decor. With just rope and creativity, you can create stunning wall hangings and plant holders. 12. Handmade wooden furniture and decor. If you love woodworking, you can make small wooden furniture pieces, clocks, and shelves. This is a premium handmade business. Events and gifting. Events and gifting are big businesses in Nigeria. Let's explore some handmade products for this market. 13. Customized gift boxes. People love personalized gifts. You can curate gift boxes with perfumes, chocolates, skincare, or accessories. 14. Handmade greeting cards and scrapbooks. Forget regular cards. Handmade greeting cards with calligraphy and custom messages sell well, especially during festive seasons. 15. Party and wedding souvenirs. Everyone loves a unique wedding souvenir. You can create personalized souvenirs like key holders, mini baskets, and Ankara wrapped notepads. And there you have it. 15 profitable handmade product business you can start in Nigeria. Whether you love fashion, beauty, home decor, or events, there's something for you. Let me know in the comments which business idea excites you the most. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification for more business tips. See you in the next video. Bye.